Hey you guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is the Oscars gala for beauty products. And we are nominated in Lipstick of the Year with our fantastic lipsticks, and we are also nominated in base product under 250 Swedish crowns. So I am super excited about this day. I'm actually a little nervous. Yesterday I got to know the dress code for this event. And the dress code was smoking. And I was like, I don't have anything at home at all. So I went to, it's press week in Stockholm, so all the PR offices are open and they have events and stuff. So yesterday I went to this press office and I was supposed to borrow clothes from them, but the clothes were they were not there. So then we called Swedish designer Ida Sjöstedt. I've never borrowed clothes from her before, but I mean, she has the most dreamy clothes ever. And they were like, sure, we're open until 6, so just come by. And I did. I picked out 3 dresses. Let's take a look at them. I never wear pink usually. So this is one of them. It's an amazing glitter fabric dress. It's very, very pretty. And then we have this shorter one with lace, black, and a lot of ruffles and stuff. It's really cool, but I think that I will wear a long dress. So this one here is a really it's a princess dress, and this is actually some kind of top that I'm gonna put on top of the actual dress. So I'm gonna go through the makeup really quick, and then I'm gonna choose my outfit. And after that, I think I have to go to the office actually, because they have prepared some stuff. I think I'm gonna do the hair when I'm at the office, because the weather is a disaster, and I think my hair will, it will probably just ruin my hair on the way. I'm not sure, but I think it's time to start trying out the dresses now. I think we're gonna start with this one here. The glitter one. Okay, see you soon. Here we go. How beautiful is this? It's a little see-through, isn't it? I don't know, I can't really see. I love the fabric, it's amazing. But as I am very short, it's also very, very long. This dress is truly amazing. It's so pretty. I mean, look in the back, it's just, it has everything that I like. But the thing is that it's too short for a smoking theme. But this dress, I mean, come on. I mean, I'm gonna buy this dress either way because it's so pretty. How freaking pretty. So to make this less cute, because I don't mind feeling like a princess, but I want to feel like a rock and roll princess with pastel, I'm gonna use this belt. I got this belt from a friend long time ago, and I feel like the studs here fit really well to just exaggerate the waist a bit, and then have this bag to it. This dress and this top is everything. I feel so weird talking to you like this. So I'm gonna go prepare myself for the office, and then I'm gonna go to the office actually to meet up with my colleagues, and we are gonna have a good pre-party and do something fun over there. So see you later. I was so ready to go, but I missed my train, and oh my god, I have so many things with me. I wonder how it's gonna be tonight. I am the worst on remembering people's names. I kind of, faces are okay, but names, I get so embarrassed, like always, because I can't remember people's names. And I meet so many people, so much people all the time. And oh God, what time is it now? It's 12:40. Okay, so I actually need to go. You might know her from something, and her. Hey! They made a video.
Yes, we did.
What do you think? What? Okay, so what are your expectations for tonight?
We are winning.
Good.
Yes.
I like what I hear.
Send it to the universe.
Send it to the universe and just cheer for us.
Okay, good. I was like, shit, she had a new product on the desk.
Guys, if you love this look on Linda, give this video a thumbs up.
Thank you. Then I don't have to say it in the end of the video. We're leaving in like 30 minutes. Oh my God, it's crazy.
Like 5 minutes.
I am so...
Like 5 minutes. How's it going, Ida?
This woman over here, she's always last minute.
What?
Excuse me?
What is she talking
That
about?
lash on you.
I mean, she's... The level of stress. When I'm with her, it's like, okay, I'm there in 10. 45 minutes later.
She's lying.
She's like, oh, I'm just gonna put my lashes on. And she always blames it on that I'm Persian.
Yes, we have a different time zone, baby. Why is this so difficult?
En liten blinkning igen.
We are here at Swedish Beauty Awards and we're gonna go mingle.
Hej på er allesammans! Välkomna till Swedish Beauty Award 2019!
So now it is time for the actual award. We have been sitting here for 2 hours eating and drinking and we had a great time. So I am so nervous. Are you nervous? I'm dying. Let's do this.
De nominerade är... Det här är lippin som prickar in alla rådande trender just nu. Från det härligt smöriga gelstiftet som smälter in i läpparna och färger som snyggt gifter sig med din egen. Till en formel som både ger ett bra skydd mot solen och gör läpparna mjukare för varje gång den används. Årets vinnare är Linda Hallberg.
Grattis. Tack! Kalaskratt.
Gud vad roligt! Alltså det här är helt otroligt. Vilken grym grej att inleda galan med! Stort tack till juryn! Ni ser oss, ni hör oss. Stort tack till Per. Ni ser våra ingredienser, ni ser vår vision. Och jag menar, jag sa att om inte vi tar hem det här priset ikväll så kan vi alla bara gå. Vet du hur Aida sa? Hon sa att hon skulle kasta tomater på folk. Nej, jag ska kasta båten. Men stort tack för att ni... Tusen tack, älskar det här. Tack! Hey guys, I am back home. Oh my god, it's so bright. We have been dancing and we have had so much fun and we won, and thank you so much. I can't believe it. It's been an amazing night. I'm just so happy and I am so tired right now. I just want to say thank you. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful, and what we have become and what we've done in such short time, and it's just been amazing. I'm just so happy right now. So I'm gonna take this face off and I think I'm gonna eat something because I'm quite hungry, and then I'm gonna go to bed. It's work day tomorrow as well. Can you see how happy I am? It's crazy. Well, okay, enough talking. Bye guys. Good night.